How to add a Calendly inline embed to your website. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to achieve this or do this on your website. Now, I'm just going to take Squarespace and Google Sites as an example today, and I'm just going to use them and add the inline embed to them. But if you have any sort of website that allows HTML embed, then you're pretty much set to go and you're going to be able to do so exactly the same way. It's just going to be finding the block or code block basically for your website. So let's just go ahead and get started from Calendly's perspective first, where you will need to create an event basically. So just go ahead and click on create an event. I'm just going to go for event type and then one-on-one here. And basically you would want to just go ahead and adjust this to your liking. I'm just going to give it the name inline embed. Here, if you want to just give it a color, I'm just going to go for yellow here. Duration is going to be 45. Location, I'm just going to leave it empty. Click on continue. And then you would want to basically set this up to your liking. I'm just going scheduling settings here, for example. Make sure that the timing is correct. Save and close. Buffer time, I'm just going to add a buffer time here. So before event is going to be 5 minutes, after event is going to be 15 minutes, and I'm just going to save and close. So obviously this is just me doing my thing with my customization, but you have the settings here. Obviously just make sure you set it up completely to your liking. It's not going to make a difference here. So just go ahead and set this up to your liking. I'm pretty much done here. I'm not going to go through the other things here. And basically, once you're done, you just want to click on done at the top left, and you should find your event in here. So the next step is going to actually be getting the inline embed. So just go ahead and click on share from this box here. So just click on share from the bottom right. And then it's going to give you the share a link, which is not what we want. We want to click on add to website, which should be at the top right. Go ahead and click on that. And then we are going to be obviously clicking on inline embed. So just go ahead and click on that once more. And then just go for continue. And then they're just going to give you this code here. So just go ahead and copy this code. You can either highlight it or just click on copy code at the bottom right. And then we can just go ahead and close out of here. We're pretty much done with Calendly. So first, let's just go ahead and do it in Squarespace. So I'm just going to add a section. And basically, let's just add a blank section. And basically what you are trying to achieve with any site, whether it's going to be Squarespace or anything else, is to find the code block, which in Squarespace is this one right here. It says code. So just go ahead and click on that. And you want to basically just add the code in here. And we are pretty much set. So let's just go ahead and save and exit so we can actually refresh and see the integration here. And we can actually see that we have this inline embed right in our Squarespace. Let's just do it one more time in Google Sites. Again, you just want to find the code element, which is in this case in here. Click on embed code, and then you would want to paste it in here. Click on next and insert. And again, if you want to just align it perfectly like so, and also make it a little bit larger. And this is pretty much how to add your inline embed from Calendly to your website. Just locate your code block, add the code from Calendly, and you're pretty much set. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.